Welcome. If you're looking to quickly access the settings on the Telegram app for your PC with the latest update, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps so you can easily customize your Telegram experience. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop application or the web version, launching the app gets you into your chats and conversations right away. Once Telegram is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked vertically. This is often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click or tap on these 3 lines, and a sidebar menu will slide out from the left side. In this sidebar menu, scroll down slightly and you will find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the comprehensive menu where you can personalize your Telegram experience. Here, you can modify your account details, privacy preferences, notification settings, chat backgrounds, and more. Navigating Telegram settings on PC is intuitive and streamlined in this new update, making it easier than ever to find exactly what you need without digging through complicated menus. From setting your profile picture to adjusting security settings or configuring message previews, everything is just a few clicks away. So remember, the quickest path to the settings on Telegram for PC is open the app, click the 3 lines at the top left, then hit Settings. With these simple steps, you'll be ready to explore all the customization options Telegram offers on your PC. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless messaging experience on Telegram.